So if your WhatsApp opens and it is just a black screen like this, do not panic. Let me show you the fastest way to fix it on iPhone. This is an iPhone 13. You can try it on other iPhones and see if it works. The first step is to restart your phone. Press and hold the side button, which is the volume up, and this side button together to power it off. Then slide to power it off and wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. So when you turn your phone back on, reopen your WhatsApp and see if it is fixed. As you can see, it is fixed and it is now showing. So that is how to fix it. So if yours is not fixed yet, let's go to the step 2. The step 2 is to check for an update. Now, what you have to do is to go to your App Store and check if WhatsApp has an update there. So we are going to go to our App Store and search for WhatsApp. And see if WhatsApp got an update. As you can see, there's an update here. So update it. And once you have successfully updated it, open your app, that is your WhatsApp app, and it should work for you. So if it's still black and it is not showing your WhatsApp, don't worry. This is the next step. And this is very common. All you have to do is to go to your settings on your iPhone and go to the general and select iPhone storage. If your storage is almost full, app can fail to load properly. As you can see, this has enough space. You must have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free. So if your storage is full, delete some things you don't need, then try WhatsApp again. If it's still not working, we have to offload the app. This removes the app but keeps your data. So all you have to do is to go to the settings of your iPhone, then go to General, and go to iPhone storage, and go to WhatsApp, which is here. Now, you have to select this offload app option. This will actually free up the storage used by the app, but keeps your documents and data. So it's not going to what? Delete your document. It's not going to delete any of your documents. Okay? So all you have to do is just tap on it, and it's going to tell you offload it, but keep its documents and data. Select offload app. Once you select offload app, now select reinstall app. When you select reinstall app, it's going to reinstall your WhatsApp. Just give it some time to restore your WhatsApp. As you can see, it is now reinstalled successfully. Now you can minimize and go to your WhatsApp and see if it is working. As you can see, mine is working already. But if yours is still not working after you have done these 4 steps, the next thing to do is to delete and reinstall WhatsApp. That is the final option. Delete and reinstall WhatsApp, but only do this if your chats are backed up to iCloud. Because when you delete WhatsApp, it's going to delete everything, your pictures, your documents, and everything. So please know what you are doing at this point. So all you have to do is to press hold on your WhatsApp, select remove, and select delete app. I'm not going to delete mine because mine is already working. So once you select confirm and it deletes your WhatsApp, it's going to delete every document and everything, and we have to reinstall it afresh. So once you've done that, you sign in and restore your backup. But if you don't have any backup, please note your chat and documents and pictures will all be gone. So make sure it is backup before you start the last process, or you resort to the last process, which is delete and reinstall. So that is how to fix your WhatsApp black screen on iPhone. Bye for now. Peace.